So I thought I'd do something a little different, take you guys for a walk in the rain down to the shop. So there's where the deer are usually at, and quite literally this is their trail. You can see they rub there. And one trail goes that way. This one goes this way. And they'll hang out there, a lot of times in here. And you can see their droppings and their footprints here. This is part of their trail too. Yep. This is their trails. And they also come down the side of the house there. So, and they just pretty much hang out all over the place here. Walk up to the shop. See, there they go. Three of them right there. Okay. Yep, see them?